Hey, who's there? Come out now. I can see you.
Hi,
Hey, you're a fairy.
I'm Primrose.
Hi, Primrose.
Did you make all these things? Those fairy houses, Natiri from Avatar, and fairy table.
Yes.
Wow! Could you please make me a cute papier-mâché chameleon to ride on?
Sure, I would love to do that for you.
That would be great. Let me help you with the raw materials.
Wow.
Abracadabra! Here is everything you need.
Here, the shape of the chameleon is ready. I think this is the perfect size of chameleon for Primrose to ride on. And here, our base is ready to stick the cardboard, on which we have cut the shape of a chameleon. Let me apply some papier-mâché clay on the structure. The most important thing for me is to add details. And here comes our twig. To make that on a wire, I am applying some tissue paper. Here is a fun fact about chameleons. Chameleons have 360-degree vision around their eyes. It allows them to look in two different directions simultaneously. And this vision of chameleons is called monocular vision. Since now we are coloring, here is another fun fact. Chameleons change color not only for camouflage but also for communication, regulating body temperature, and in response to emotions such as stress or excitement. To our chameleon, I am giving monocular vision. This is the last detail I am adding. Then our chameleon is ready.
Hi, Shweta.
Hi, Primrose.
Is my ride ready?
It's ready. Look.
Wow! It is so beautiful. I love him. I will call him Lolo.